Hi everyone, Ravi this side. Welcome to Engineering Adda. So today I'm going to discuss how we can create the Eureka server application and how we can do the service registry. So let's go to the IntelliJ and let me try to create one application for the Eureka server. So let me go to the file and let me go to the project. So here let me create a project called Eureka server application. Okay, now let me go to the next and let me go previous and see where it is created. Yeah, let me go next. So for creating a Eureka server, we need couple of dependencies, starter dependencies. So Spring Web is required. And coming to the Eureka server, we have a starter dependency called Eureka server. So we need to have that. And let me create this application now. These are the two dependency that we need. Let me open this application in a new tab and then I will show you how it is working. It will take few seconds to configure itself. Okay, let me close this. So once it is configured, we need to provide some additional configuration in the application.properties file. So I already have noted down those things for your reference and let me go there and let me try to see. So these are the configuration. Okay, let me try to copy this and I'm just okay. Let me go there. Where is that? Yeah, Eureka server application. Let me show this. It is not properly open in the Maven form. It will take couple of times. So let me close this and reopen it so that it can load as a Maven project. So let me go to the open recent Eureka server and open in a new tab. So here it will prompt like load a Maven project. So once it is prompted, we can load it in the form of Maven. Okay, so it is coming now. Let me go here and you can see it is resolving some of the dependency here. Let me go to the src folder and let me go to the Java and all. So coming to the configuration that we need to do, I am just opening the application.properties file and I copied this. You can take a look on this. So this is the port number and this is 8761 is the default port number for the Eureka server. I am using that and we are making this configuration as a false. So I am making this client register with Eureka configuration as a false so that this Eureka server application that we have created does not register itself with the Eureka server. So it act like a server. That is why we are making this false. So later on, when I am going to register other services to the Eureka server, you might come to know that why we are making this false. If you don't make this false, give me some time. So I make this configuration as a false so that this service does not register itself with the Eureka server. So and it behave like a Eureka server. Now coming here to the main class, I need to enable the Eureka server for this. So we are done with this configuration. Now let me run this application and show you how it is looking like. So once it is up, we can see how it is behaving. So it will be up on the port number 8761, which is a default port for it. So I will open that locally and then I will show you how it is looking like. So this is the port number. This application is up and let me come here. Let me hit the URL localhost is 8761. So this is how the Eureka server is looking like. Here coming to the application, whatever application that you will register to the Eureka server, it will you can come and see the instance of that here. Okay, and it will maintain all the other details like on which port number it is up and what is the IP for it, what is the status of that application. So everything it monitors and it registers the services and it monitor everything of that service. And we can also come here and look for the services. If you require some information about the services, you can come here and you can see. So this is about the Eureka server. Okay, so in the next video, I will show you how we can register the other services to the Eureka server. So if you like the video, please hit the like and please subscribe the channel.